hope I picked that up because I didn't listen to see. Well, it's still on. So I'm not sure if this is even the problem. It sounds so bad. I'm not even positive it's coming from this wheel though. Well, like I can just remove it with my hand. I don't know what it would be touching to be making that noise. Alright, so we better hope that they didn't just crush that car or whatever the hell they would have done to it. Because that means that the brake caliper spring should still be on the ground. Well, that was easy. Hopefully this one's not bent like mine was. I didn't talk about it. I don't think I did actually. I might have talked about it in my video. But when I took this out, I think I bent one of these like back and I had to like hammer it back into place. Not like aggressively, like it was like one tap with the hammer against the floor. But if putting this in fixes that issue, then I can't believe this could have made so much noise. I can't believe they charged me if it was only 54 cents. The 2023 BRZ. This jack really came in handy. So it's pretty obvious it's this wheel. I can just pull this spring out, which should be able to do that. Which now I'm thinking that has nothing to do with it. Alright, we're just gonna look over and take a look at everything to see what could be a possibility of that noise, because I bent the dust shield back. Still hearing a little bit of this noise. But this noise does not explain all the clicking and like the physical, like I can feel the car moving from this noise. So it's got to be something suspension related. So caliper seems solid. I mean, rotor, I'm not going anywhere. It's got a bolt in there. I would feel it. Strut looks tight. It's not going anywhere. Mounting points look fine. Those are known for cracking on BMWs. But I do have the reinforcement plate. This plate is also known for cracking. It looks fine. I don't see any issue with it. Spring looks like it's in the right spot. Nothing looks damaged up here. Usually no problems from people about these. No excessive movement. Bucket looks fine. I mean, that's pretty much normal. Bolt for the camera arm looks normal. Everything but the axle. Hold on, let me flip the other way. Bolt for the bucket up here looks tight. I wanted to look at the axle. I'm just really pissed I have to be out here in the cold trying to figure out what's wrong with it. And I really, really hate trying to diagnose problems. Like, it's nice to be like, oh yeah, I know that was broken, but like trying to figure shit out like this is just a pain in the ass because I don't have a lift to get under it and check every suspension piece. And it gets to the point where it's like I may as well replace everything brand new, and then the problem goes away and it's like, well, now I didn't learn what was actually the problem. I just learned to spend my money, which is a horrible trait. Horrible trait that nobody should be doing. Everything back here looks pretty normal to me. I don't see anything wrong. Hey, my tachometer is working correctly. We're finally idling in normal